On the day of 5th September, we have been celebrating Teachers' Day. Today is the birthday of Dr. Sarvepalli Radhakrishna Pandit. Why Dr. Sarvepalli Radhakrishna Pandit's birthday is being celebrated as Teachers' Day? All of you know Dr. Sarvepalli Radhakrishna Pandit was a great thinker and an ideal teacher. Dr. Sarvepalli Radhakrishna started his career as a teacher and he reached to the highest post of India, Indian President. Dr. Sarvepalli Radhakrishna was born on 5th September 1888, Tirutani, Chittoor district of Tamil Nadu. In a middle class family with a religious attitude. He had his early education at Tirutani, Vellore, Chittoor and Madras. He studied in Madras Presidency College and he secured his master's degree in philosophy from the Madras University. After secured his master's degree in philosophy, he was appointed as the professor in philosophy in Madras Presidency College. Then he worked some time. After he was appointed as a professor in philosophy in Maharaja Mysore College. Dr. Sarvepalli Radhakrishna was a great orator. All the students liked his speeches very much. All the students of him liked and loved very much. Once he was transferred from Mysore Maharaja College to Calcutta University. All his students make him sit in a cot and the students themselves dragged the cot from the streets of the Mysore and reached to the railway station and gave send off to him. That much interest and love they showed on Radhakrishna Pandit. Radhakrishna Pandit was a great philosopher, politician, administrator. He served for the Indian education. After getting of the independence, he was appointed of the ambassador of India for Russia. In this period, he maintained good relationship between India and Moscow. And in 1952, he was appointed as the Vice President of India. In 1962, he was elected as the President of India. For his services for the Indian education, the government of India declared his birthday is being celebrated as a Teachers' Day. That's why every year on 5th September in schools in India, we have been celebrating the Teachers' Day. On this day, we will felicitate all the teachers who worked in the society. Not only that, on this day, our President, Indian President, honored and felicitate the talent teachers in India in New Delhi. So, Radhakrishna dedicated his life for the Indian politics, Indian administration and Indian education. India is very fortunate to have a son like Radhakrishna Pandit. We are all very proud to be a great son of India, Sarvepalli Radhakrishna Pandit. His thoughts never die. So, being a teacher, he served for the Indian education so that the government of India declared his birthday as being celebrated as Teachers' Day. In that way, every year on 5th September, all schools in India we have been celebrating this occasion. Today, we arranged this program to felicitate our teachers in the part of Teachers' Day program. All of you know, Matra Devo Bhava, Pitra Devo Bhava, Acharya Devo Bhava. Guru is a great personality. The mother gave birth to us. So, she is like a goddess.